Hey guys, welcome to another episode. In this episode, I'm gonna show you something really easy, but maybe some people need some information about this. This is the 2003 Ford Focus with the 2.0 liter engine. Customer state, my car is getting hot when I'm parking or when I'm sitting on a traffic light. And then when I start driving, temperature go down. This is really simple because if you're driving around, the car is getting hot when you stop and then the temperature go down, that means that your thermostat probably is okay. You can check the fuses right here. There is a couple relays. You have to check your owner's manual. I don't have it on this vehicle. This is a customer's car, so the only thing that you need to check is gonna be the F2 and F6 fuses. It's gonna be the 30 and the 50. If those two are okay, probably you don't have to mess with the relays, because like I said before, if you start driving and the temperature is going down, that means that your radiator fans, they're not working. So I was doing some checking this morning, checked the fuses were okay. I didn't have to check the relays. I moved into the resistor. I think this is called the radiator fan resistor, something like that. Really easy to get to it. It's gonna be located right here on the bottom. There is a little slot right here. You just have to pull on the little tabs on both sides to release the relay. So in this case, the problem was this one. This is the main issue. I'm gonna show you in a minute why. Before you move the resistor, the only thing that you need to do is remove this pin. You can do it with flathead screwdriver or with some pliers. It's located right here. Pull it out from this side and remove the connector. I already got the connector. I look for the new replacement. I found it on Advance. I'm waiting on it. That's why I cut it. But if you can see inside, that's damaged, and probably right here too. Once I get the parts, I'm gonna make the splice for the connector, put the resistor, and make sure the fans are working. But like I said, the fans not working at all, and there is only three things to check: relays and fuses, resistor, and probably your thermostat. Thermostat is right here, but I replaced this thermostat, I'll say 6 to 8 months ago. I know that's not the issue, because if the thermostat was bad and it just stuck close, the car is gonna overheat and there is nothing that you can do, because no coolant is gonna go into the engine, so the car is gonna get really hot. Okay guys, I have the new kit right here. I just went to Advance to get it. This is the part number 902219, radiator fan relay kit. Right here is gonna be the new connector and the new relay. Okay, I have the cables in place. The only thing that you need to do is making sure that you connect it the right way. This cable right here is white and green. I was making sure that I match the white and green the right way. So I put them this way. Same thing on this. So the white and green is on the right hand side. And I did the same for the cables. The one on the right hand side is the white and green. And the slot is on this side. So I know I connected the right way. Make sure that you do that. Now let's grab the new relay. Connected. Okay, put the retaining clip in place. Okay, now the clip is in place. Now it will go down there. We just gotta put it in place. It goes right there inside. Lock it in place. I'm gonna put a zip tie so the cables don't hit the shield or the fence. I'm gonna put a zip tie somewhere around here. But before I do that, I'm gonna turn on the car, make sure everything works. Okay, the fans are working now. We have AC. Everything looks good now. So that was the problem. Easy fix. Part number is in there if you want to get it. I get it through Advanced Auto Parts, and that's how you fix this problem with the fans on your 2003 Ford Focus. I hope you like this episode, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.